20 interesting quiz about food with 4 options. Number 1. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? Option A apple, B banana, C mango, D orange. Question number 2. What is the main ingredients in traditional Japanese miso soup? Option A tofu, B seaweeds, C miso paste, D rice. Question 3. Which country is credited with the invention of pasta? Option A Italy, B China, C Greece, D Spain. Question 4. What is the primary ingredients in guacamole? Option A tomatoes, B avocado, C onion, D cilantro. Question number 5. Which spice is often referred to as the queen of spices? Option A cinnamon, B turmeric, C saffron, D paprika. Question number 6. What is the main component in the popular Middle Eastern dish hummus? Option A chickpeas, B lentils, C quinoa, D fava beans. Question number 7. Which type of pasta is shaped like small rice grains and is often used in soups? Option A penne, B orzo, C fusilli, D farfalle. Question number 8. What is the key ingredients in the dish ratatouille? Option A zucchini, B eggplant, C bell peppers, D all of the above. Question number 9. In what country did the sandwich originate? Option A England, B France, C Italy, D Germany. Question number 10. Which type of cheese is commonly used in Greek salads? Option A feta, B cheddar, C Swiss, D Gouda. Question number 11. What is the primary ingredients in the Indian dish paneer tikka? Option A chicken, B lamb, C paneer Indian cheese, D tofu. Question number 12. Which nut is the main ingredient in pesto sauce? Option A almonds, B walnuts, C pine nuts, D cashew. Question number 13. Which seafood is a key component of traditional paella? Option A shrimp, B mussels, C squid, D all of the above. Question number 14. What is the primary ingredients in the Mexican dish chilies in nogada? Option A beef, B poblano peppers, C chicken, D pork. Question number 15. Which vegetable is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese tempura? Option A sweet potato, B zucchini, C eggplant, D broccoli. Question number 16. What is the main ingredient in the dessert tiramisu? Option A chocolate, B coffee soaked ladyfingers, C mascarpone cheese, D vanilla. Question 17. In Mexican cuisine, what are tamales? Option A stuffed peppers, B stuffed tortillas, C corn husk wrapped steamed dumplings, D grilled meat skewers. Question number 18. Which beverage is made through the fermentation of sugared tea? Option A coffee, B kombucha, C lemonade, D iced tea. Question number 19. What is the primary ingredients in the Korean dish kimchi? Option A cabbage, B radish, C carrots, D Spanish. Question number 20. Which grain is the main ingredient in the Middle Eastern dish tabbouleh? Option A quinoa, B couscous, B C bulgur, D farro. Here are the correct answers for the food quizzes. Question number A. The correct answer of question number A is option C, mango. The correct answer of question number 2 is option C, miso paste. The correct answer of question number 3 is B, China. Correct answer for question number 4 is B, avocado. Correct answer for question number 5 is C, saffron. The correct answer of question number 6 is A, chickpeas. The correct answer for question number 7 is option B, orzo. The correct answer of question number 8 is option D, all of the above. The correct answer of question number 9 is option A, England. The correct answer of question number 10 is option A, feta. Question number 11 correct answer is option C, paneer, Indian cheese. Question number 12 correct answer is C, pine nuts. Question number 13 correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 14 correct option is B, poblano peppers. Question number 15 correct answer is option B, zucchini. Question number 16 correct answer is option B, coffee soaked ladyfingers. Question number 17 correct answer is option C, corn husk wrapped steamed dumplings. Question number 18 correct answer is B, kombucha. Question number 19 correct answer is option A, cabbage. Question number 20 correct answer is C, bulgur. Thank you.